We were told that this Shark Rotator Vacuum isn't working, so we're going to troubleshoot and see if we can fix it and not have to throw this away. We always begin by emptying the dust cup. So we remove it, and alright, I'm going to show you how to empty this. While I'm at it, I'll even remove this filter and clean it up. Clean it up. Alright, so this looks reasonably clean. Well, it's all relative. Next, we're going to check on the actual suction on this vacuum. So let's plug it in first. Since we were told this vacuum is not working, let's troubleshoot by first removing this part and seeing whether it works. Yep. Pretty good here. Next, we're going to check further along to see if everything's fine. Yep. The third part would be the base. Let's check the base. Okay, so let's just clean out this brush roll. To clean this, I'm going to use a screwdriver. And scissors. Now mind you, this is not my vacuum cleaner. I'm doing this as volunteer work. There's an organization that said that it has some vacuums that it was told that they're not working, so they have to throw them out. So I said I'll check them out and fix them if they need fixing. So this is what I'm doing. So once we take care of this brush roll, all these hair and threads that are on it, we'll check to see if it's spinning around fine. But see, these are really easy fixes that you can do, but nobody really ever looks to fix things anymore. This is the second vacuum. I have two more that I'm going to check. And I checked that one first and I fixed that. So we already know that at least one of the vacuums is working fine. Some of these threads are wound in tight. Should be good enough. So this is all the debris that came out of that brush roll. So we're going to plug it in and see how it spins. Woo! Success! Let's turn it on and see if it works. It's reasonably good. Don't know what all the fuss is about. carpet. There. Perfect. There. So now we fixed this vacuum after having fixed that one before this. So that's 2 working vacuums that were thought to be out of commission.